This video is intended for all the students of first year of engineering at Anna Saheb Dange College of Engineering and Technology, Asta. In this video, I'll be briefing you about a portal which is launched by TCS called as Campus Commune. This portal is used by TCS for conducting various contests and for the placement drive that they conduct. So all first year students should register on this portal. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps of how to enroll on TCS Campus Commune. So all of you can visit TCS Campus Commune via Google. You can Google for TCS Campus Commune and you can see nextstep.tcs.com. So you can click on this TCS Next Step website. So once you visit this particular website, there is an option for register now. You have to click on register now. Inside this you will get two options. One is IT and another is BPS. IT is for all engineering students, so irrespective of the branch they are studying. So all the students from first year from all the branch should click on IT. Once you click on IT, it will display you an registration form. So all students should enter the details on this particular form. I'll fill one sample detail over here for your demonstration purpose. Please make sure that you enter your email ID properly, because this is the only way TCS is going to reach out to you for all possible communication. Also, please make sure that you enter your mobile number correctly. Then please enter the college name as Anna Saheb Dange College of Engineering and Technology, Ashta. Please see that you don't make any spelling mistakes while writing the college name. Then you can select the qualification as Bachelor of Technology, and year of passing, as you are in first year right now, your year of passing will be 2023. This is very important. All students of first year should enter their year of passing as 2023. Nearest test location, as of now you can enter Sangli. In this, create a password for yourself, re-enter a password. Please make sure that you don't forget this password, because this portal will be required till you reach in final year, where you will be appearing the campus recruitment drive of TCS. You can pick one question for security purpose and type the code and click on submit. So once you register, you will be getting a DT or CT number. This number all of you have to note, because this number will be used by TCS for all the subsequent interactions. So this is a unique number allotted for each candidate. So you have to note down this particular number for all the subsequent communications. So I'll note this particular number in my instance. I'm entering the password once again. So this is how I have come inside now my account. Here you can find there is an option of Campus Commune. So you have to click on Campus Commune, and then further you have to click on Launch Campus Commune. It will redirect to another page of Campus Commune where all the contests are displayed by TCS. For the first use, it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. So you can click on I agree, and further it will redirect you to the home page of Campus Commune, where you can get information about all the contests that are floated by TCS. So every student should regularly visit this website in order to understand which different activities are floated by TCS. Here you can see the ongoing contest is there in the form of CodeVita Season 9. So click on CodeVita Season 9 and there is an option to register for this contest. So each one of you have to click on register, accept the terms and condition, and finally click on register. It will ask you to verify your mobile number. So you have to verify your mobile number, and finally it will tell you that your contest registration is done. Once you are done with this process, you are advised to upload the screenshot of this and send it to your class teachers.